Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hide places in Google Maps. Google Maps is an incredibly useful tool for navigation, exploring nearby places, and even saving your favorite spots. But sometimes you may want to declutter your map, remove saved or suggested places, or hide personal points of interest, especially if you're sharing your screen or just want to a cleaner map view. And here's how to hide or remove places on your map. The first step is to remove shared saved places, and to do that, just open maps.google.com on your web browser, and if you're using your mobile phone, just go to the Maps application. Now here, you're just gonna tap the Save tab at the bottom, let's see here, or as you can see it's on the top. You see here, I don't have any places saved, but if you saved places here, you're gonna find them here. You can go into Favorites, Start, or Custom Lists. Like you see here, see Favorites, Start Places, etc. Tap the three dots next to the places you want to remove. For example, I have no place, but you'll have this. And click on Edit List, and you can add the places or delete places. The second step is to hide visited places, for example timeline history, and you can do that by going to Google Maps, your timeline, and select the day, location, or visit entry, and tap the trash bin to delete that visit. To hide the entire history, disable location history. As for the third step is to delete recent searches, and you can do that by tapping on the search bar and swipe left on the past entries to delete them. Example here, and you can delete them by deleting this one right here. You can click on the X icon, or you can go to Google My Activity and filter by maps and delete individually or in bulk. You can also use incognito mode to prevent Google from saving any new searches, directions, or activity by tapping on your profile icon and turn on incognito mode. Whether you're aiming to maintain privacy, reduce clutter, or just clean up your map experience, Google Maps gives you control over what appears and what stays hidden. Removing saved locations, hiding timeline entries, or using incognito mode gives you a tidier and more private map experience for even more control. Pair this with adjusting your Google account's activity settings.